Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back. So likewise, when we basically worked with the power of the short code, now in this video we will be working up with different themes, and I'm going to be showing you how you can basically decide which theme you should be going with. Okay, now basically if you don't want to customize the website and you just want to install a theme and edit it, you can install a theme. Well, if you want to customize it, you have to use a page builder. So you guys do know that. Now, in this video, we will be first talking about the themes. Okay, and I will show you how you can go and how you can edit it and how those theme works. And then later on, in this video, that will be completed. And then after that, we will be working up with the customization part, because WordPress designing is totally based on the customization, not the editing of a theme. So anyway, let's just go ahead and let's install a theme. Now, I want you guys to go to the themes. And here you have to get rid of every theme, because you will be seeing a lot of themes. You have to basically click that theme, and here you will see delete here. So make sure that you delete every theme. And then you have to basically click add new over here. And now you have to search for a theme that is basically a store theme. Okay. And we're getting a lot of themes over here that you can use for your website. So I'm going to be installing this one. And now let's go ahead, let's go down, and let's install this one as well. So we've got a lot of themes right now, and let's also install this theme as well. So we have now basically installed 3 themes. So now if you go to the themes over here, you can see we have got these themes right here. So we're going to be reviewing them in this particular video, and then we will be talking about the other. So all you have to do is to basically click over here to install this store theme, and we will be first working up with this theme. Now let's go ahead and let's see how does our theme look. You can see this is how basically this theme is looking, and that's all. Now, even if you go to the shop page, you can see this is how the shop page is looking. This is how we are getting the normal sidebar. You can click filter, and this is how it's looking. Now let's go ahead and let's view the inside of a product. So if you click over here, you can see this is how it's looking. Same like this, what you can do is that you can view the cart page. So all you have to do is to basically click over here, and you are now taken to the shopping cart, and this is how the shopping cart is looking as well. So they have not made their theme much properly. You can see this radio button, where is it coming? Anyway, let's see the proceed to checkout page, and the checkout page is like that. So the theme is nice. The theme is simple. You can use this theme. And now let's go ahead and let's see this functionality. So first, what we will be doing is that we will be going to the edit page, and we will see if they have a pre-made template. And let's see. And they have not made a pre-made template. This is just the default template that is coming. So probably they should be giving some of the things over in the customize then. So all you have to do is to click over here in the customize. And now here we have got some things. So we've got header settings, and inside this header settings, we've got the title, tagline, and the logo, which is coming right here. The social icons you can add to the website as well, but we're not going to be doing that. You guys do know about it. We're going to be looking for the main thing. So we've got basically this main slider. Let's go and let's check this out. So we first have to enable this. And now here it says how many slides would you want to show. So we're going to be keeping it 2. And this is right here. Now let's go back and let's see these slides here. So first we can select an image. We're going to select this image. You can go to basically unsplash.com to get some of the images. And the image is going to be right appearing here. And now you can enter any of the site title. That is going to be welcome to this site. So basically, I have written over this, welcome to our shop, and we have everything you need, shop now. And in the target URL, what we're going to say is that if someone basically clicks over that button, we're going to send him to the shop page. Okay, so it's going to be like that. And let's see where the button is. So there's no button. I don't know. Anyway, it's right here. Let's go back. And I kind of not like this slider because there is no background overlay. You cannot design it the way you want to, so it's totally a mess and it's not good. So I would prefer anyway the Elementor. Let's go back and let's go to the featured product showcase. So this is right here. There are also some homepage functionalities that you can add. So here we've got the top cover flow slider. You can enable this, and you can select a category over here. So you can choose anything. You can also choose laptops, and laptops will appear. And you can now basically just do it that way. You can slide this and there will be a lot of products coming right here. Same like this, you can decide how many you want to show. So you can choose even 10, and 10 products will be shown just like that. So you can also choose a different category, and this is how basically it's working. So this is kind of good. I'm going to be keeping it. So I'm going to be just setting it on. Now let's talk about the square boxes. Let's enable this and let's check it out. So we're going to be going ahead. We're going to be enabling it. And now here we have to select the category. So we're going to be selecting the category to be laptop. And we're going to be adding the title that is going to be laptops. And let's see, where are they appearing? So they're not appearing here. Let's go back and let's select this to be for the Apple. And so they're not appearing. And the reason for that is because you may have to basically publish this page and then you have to refresh this page. Then it will appear most probably. And yes, this is right here. So you can see that before we selected laptops, and then here we selected the Apple. So if you go to the featured product showcase again, you can see we've got the square box. And for the square box, we've got this laptops, just like that. And for the 3D cube slider, just like that, we are getting the Apple here. So you can just choose how much products you want. You can even increase that and there will be more products right here. So this is how basically it's working. You can even choose a different category here. You can choose Huawei, and Huawei phones are right here. And anyone can click over here and he'll be taken to the specific page, just like that. So it's kind of good. This cube box I like the most. Well, this is not very satisfying. So you can decide what you want. Since I have written Apple over here, I'm going to be choosing the category to be Apple. And now we've got the promotional product. So now here you have to basically enable this. And here we've got this. So this is basically the product ID that is right here. Now, if you just go to the website and then you go to the dashboard and now you go to products and you click all products, you can see that every product has been given an ID over here. So you can decide which product you want to be shown over here. So let's suppose that I want this Huawei Y9. So its ID is 112. What you can do is that you can type in here 112 and the promotional product is going to be right here. Like so. You can also use this background image. So we're going to be using the exact same background image here. We're going to choose the image and the image will be right here. So this is good. They are basically giving the overlay, which is kind of good, but they were not giving the overlay in the slider, which is something that needs to be done. So now let's go back, and that's all. These were the only thing you can do with this particular online store, and you cannot do the customization. Now, this is actually the main drawback that I would like to tell you guys. And this is something like, let's suppose that if you want to do any customization, you cannot do that. So this is right here. These are the description that is coming, and this is right here. Same like this, what you can do right over here is that you can click edit page, and now here you can choose it to be a full width, and you can look for the all pages over here, and you can just get this page. Okay, you have to basically click over here, and this is the shortcode page that I told you to design this, and this is really gonna help you. And now what you have to do is to just copy this, come up here, and you have to paste it. You can make it to be heading, and you have to align this to center. Same like this, what you can do now is that you can go ahead and you can do pretty well those stuff. And you can just go and copy these stuff over here. So you're going to copy it, you're going to come up here, and you're going to paste it right here. And you're going to do the exact same with right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to quickly copy these. So here you can see that I've copied everything, and now you can go ahead and you can hit update. Okay, and then what you can do is that you can visit the website again, and this is how your website is looking. So your website is designed in just a minute, and everything is coming like so. Same like this, what you can do is that you can use this customize feature to change the colors that you guys do know how to change it. You can go to the design and you can work with the layouts, you can work with the color and stuff like that. If the theme offers, then you can change it. If the theme does not offer changing of the colors, then you cannot do that. So it totally depends upon theme. When you are using a theme, you are basically using that theme independency. So that is why I always say that always use a page builder instead of relying on a theme. Anyway, now let's go ahead and let's choose the different theme. So we're going to be choosing now the modern theme and we're going to hit activate. This theme is activated and let's see. So all we have to do is to first go to the pages and then we have to go to the all pages and let's go to the home page. Let's click edit and let's see if this theme offers the home page over here. So yes, this theme offers the home page. You can select it and then you can hit update. And this is how this theme is looking. So this is right here. Most probably you can add anything over here. And then we've got the on sale products, the shop by category over here, top rated products, the latest products. So this is exactly same like the storefront theme, which is kind of nice. I would really appreciate this theme. And this is how basically the shop page is looking, the accessories page, and let's see the cart page. So this is how the cart page is looking, and let's click the proceed to checkout, and the checkout page is like that. So I kind of like this. Now, anyway, if you are looking for a simple theme and you don't have time, then you can basically use this theme. Now let's go ahead and let's see what you can add over here. So all you have to do is to click customize. And now here you have to look for the header promo. So here it is. Now you can add an image over here. Let's suppose that I add this image. I'm going to hit select and crop the image. And the image is probably going to be here. Now you can go down and here you can add some text. So we're going to be adding welcome to One Stop Shop. So here I've written, and now here I'm going to be writing the shop now, and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing. If anyone will click, I'm going to send him to the shop page. And this is right here. You can align this stuff to center. So this is going to be aligned to center like so. And let's see if they're giving the background overlay. Yes, they are. So what you can do is that you can choose a color and then you can use the overlay opacity like so. And it's kind of looks good to me. So this is really great. Welcome to our store. And if someone will click over here, you can see he's going to be thrown to the shop page right here. The widget is not coming. So basically the reason for that is because you have to use the exact same thing with the widget. If you go to the widgets over here, you can see now you have to just add the widgets over here. Like you can add filter products by price. Same like this, you can add categories and you can add sale products over here. So we're going to be saying we need sale products, and we're going to be adding one more, and that is going to be recently viewed products like so. And we've got everything coming right here. So our sidebar now goes normal. And now let's go ahead and let's go to again the homepage builder. And now here is something that we will be working right now. So all you have to do is to click this home button and let's see. So we've got first on sale products, then we've got product categories. You can go ahead and you can decide whether you want to show them. Then you can decide how many number of categories you want to show, whether you want to include the subcategories over here, and you want to display the number of the products. So if you just select yes, you will see that the number of products are going to be appearing here. So you can do it that way. Same like this, you can also choose the category order, which is going to be reverse alphabetical. You can use most products order. Those categories that has most of the products in them, they're going to be shown. Same like this, the latest products, the newest product that you add, those categories will be coming up like here. So you can do it that way. Well, I'm going to be choosing it to be alphabetical. That was already there. Then we've got the top rated products. This is going to be right here. You can decide the number of the products you want to show and the latest products, which is right here. You can decide the number as well. And this is out. That's all. So that's all. They are basically letting you customize it. There is nothing else you can do right now. There's also in the additional options, we've got display scroll to top arrow. So this is the arrow. If someone will click, he is going to be taken right above. So that's all they are showing right now. the same settings that was being shown for the storefront theme that we were using. So for the product catalog, you can decide whether you want to show the products, and the just like sort by popularity or what is the thing, and the products per row. So you can choose it to be 5, or you can choose it to be 4 or 3 or whatever you want. You can choose it even 4 over here. So it's like that. I kind of like this theme. It's simple, and this theme can be used. So now we are done with this particular theme. This is how it's looking. And now let's go ahead and let's move to the other theme that we installed. So I'm going to be going ahead, I'm going to be clicking this themes, and I'm going to be clicking this Orchid store. Let's click activate. And this theme is activated. Now this theme recommends this page builder because I think this theme is not letting you do pretty well anything. So let's just go ahead and let's view how does this theme look. So here it is. This theme is kind of good too. Let's see the shop page. And this is how the shop page is looking. Let's see the cart. And the cart is nice too. You can click view cart and you are in the cart page. If you click checkout, you will be taken to the checkout page as well. So this is how this theme is looking. You can even search for any of the product. Like let's suppose you search for iPhone and you hit enter and you are here. So that's all. That's all right here. You can even choose sort by popularity or stuff like that here. So this theme is basically a normal theme, and they are telling you to basically use the Elementor to design whatever you want to design right in here. So that's all. This theme is not really giving you much of a functionality. Well, you can go ahead, you can use this theme to manipulate the colors. You can work with the primary color like so. You can choose any color over here and the secondary color as well. So you can keep it either the golden or you can keep it blue as well. So with the black, I really like the combination of the blue. So this is how it's looking. Same like this, you can go back and you can work with the sidebar, footer, excerpt, and header here, site identity, top header, product search, this mini cart right here and stuff like that. So then you can go ahead and you can hit the publish here. So that's all. Now you guys do know that how the theme works and how you can go ahead and how you can work with different themes. But this video was just to show you that you should not be relying on the theme, because the theme only bound you with their functionalities. Well, if you need any extra design, if you need any extra thing, you cannot do that. And that is where the page builder comes in. So in the next video, we will be going ahead and we will be working up with the Elementor. And I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and how you can design a much better website with your own perfect theme. So in the next video, we will be doing that. Stay tuned and bye-bye.